Hello everyone, here are your spelling words for this week. What these words have in common is that there are two vowels inside of the words. These two vowels are pronounced separately and they divide the word based on their sounds. So again, vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U, and when they show up in this week's words, they actually each get their own separate sound. So let me show you a few examples of what I mean by that, and then we'll get into saying each of the words together before you get into the activity you're doing with the words. So let's take the word video, for example. Notice that at the end of video, there are two vowels, E and O. When you say video, you can hear the long E and you can hear the long O sound. They stand separately, okay? Let me give you another example of what I mean by this double vowel pattern, which is what it is. So here's the word liar. You've got two vowels that are sitting next to each other in the word, the I and the A. When you say liar, you can hear the I separate from the A in the word. Let me give you one more example and then we'll say the words together. So here's the word visual. You've got two vowels sitting next to each other again, the U and the A. When you say visual, you can hear that U separately from the A in the word visual. All right, let's go ahead and start at the beginning and we'll say all of your spelling words together just one time, and then you'll be ready for the activity. Number 1 says idea, lion, usual, radio, liar, poem, India, piano, January, quiet, poet, science, diary, violin, period, February, cereal, video, meteor, rodeo. The review words don't follow the rule for this week. These words are from another week when they had a rule in common. This word says surprise, complete, although, instead, and here we go again with the double vowel pattern for the words for this week. Visual, create, genuine, and patriot. So these are your spelling words for this week. Now you're ready to move on to the activity for these words.